What's up guys, today I'm going to turn myself into an Oscar award. Growing up, I had the nickname Oscar because I was always winning, but I had the flattest ass. So today we're making a custom Oscar. We're taking this little peach and turning it into an absolute dump truck. Step 1, I loaded up Tinkercad and I designed the perfect booty for my award. Once I was happy with the height and the angles, I exported it as an STL file and then loaded it in and placed it on my award where I saw fit. Now that I'm thick in a digital sense, it's time to turn that into a physical award. First, I topped up my vat with some fresh UV resin, hit print, and it was underway. Now the time lapse that you're seeing right now took 7.5 hours to shoot. I know it looks like it's just rising up super quick, but this was 7.5 hours worth of printing. Once it was done, we had a successful print. First, I removed the supports. There weren't too many for this piece actually. And then I had to remove it from the build plate. Next, it was time to clean off the award. There is tons of uncured UV resin on here, which is blocking in a lot of the detail in the face. So to clean that up, we soaked it in isopropyl alcohol for 4 minutes. This is an ultrasonic cleaner. 4 minutes later, all the uncured resin was off and our detail was starting to show. Next, we cured it under a black light for 2 minutes. Took some high quality gold paint, loaded it into my airbrush, and started painting. And just like that, I made a custom Danocracy Oscar award. Even though I still have the flattest ass on the Northern Hemisphere, this just helped me a bit with some childhood trauma. Thanks so much for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and follow for more fun DIYs. I'll catch you in the next one.